Hey everyone, M41 Walker Bulldog, a legendary light tank developed during the Cold War era, remains one of the most iconic vehicles of its kind. Though originally introduced by the United States in the early 1950s, the M41 has seen extensive service across multiple continents and has undergone countless upgrades to remain relevant in changing battlefield environments. Fast forward to 2025, and the latest iteration of the M41 Walker Bulldog has emerged, combining its historical legacy with cutting-edge technological enhancements that redefine its capabilities for modern combat scenarios. The 2025 M41 Walker Bulldog retains the essence of its original design, speed, maneuverability, and versatility, but now incorporates contemporary advancements that elevate it from a mid-20th century reconnaissance platform to a formidable modern battlefield asset. The updated version benefits from a complete overhaul of its chassis, engine, armament, electronics, and armor. Its lightweight frame remains intact, ensuring that it continues to be an ideal choice for rapid deployment and scouting missions, but it is now supported by an advanced composite armor system that offers better protection against kinetic and explosive threats. The most noticeable external difference lies in its sleeker, more angular hull design. This design change is not merely aesthetic, it enhances deflection capabilities and reduces the radar cross-section, making the 2025 Bulldog significantly more survivable against guided munitions. The addition of reactive armor modules and an active protection system capable of intercepting incoming anti-tank rockets further bolsters its defense, transforming the Bulldog into a surprisingly resilient light tank for its class. Powering the 2025 M41 Walker Bulldog is a state-of-the-art hybrid diesel-electric engine. This new propulsion system provides exceptional torque and acceleration, allowing the tank to reach speeds of up to 75 km per hour on-road and 50 km per hour off-road. The hybrid nature of the engine also allows for silent operation modes, which are especially useful for reconnaissance and ambush scenarios. Fuel efficiency has also improved dramatically, extending the tank's operational range and reducing the logistical burden during prolonged engagements. The firepower of the 2025 Bulldog has seen a major transformation. Gone is the original 76mm gun, replaced by a high-velocity 90mm smoothbore cannon capable of firing modern armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding Sabot 8PF SDS rounds, high-explosive anti-tank heat rounds, and programmable airburst munitions. This new gun allows the M41 to engage not only light armored vehicles but also threaten older generation main battle tanks from a distance. The main gun is paired with an autoloader, reducing crew fatigue and enabling a higher rate of fire. In addition to the main armament, the 2025 M41 features a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and a remotely operated 12.7mm heavy machine gun mounted on the turret. The remote weapon station is equipped with thermal imaging, night vision, and auto-tracking capabilities, offering the crew unparalleled situational awareness and fire control even in adverse weather or low-visibility environments. For urban warfare and counterinsurgency operations, the tank also includes a grenade launcher system capable of deploying smoke, tear gas, or even anti-personnel explosives. The crew of the 2025 M41 Walker Bulldog benefits immensely from a fully digitized interior. Each member, commander, gunner, and driver, has access to multi-function displays linked to a centralized battlefield management system. This system offers real-time data sharing, target tracking, friend or foe identification, and GPS-based navigation. The commander's panoramic sight and the gunner's independent thermal channel allow for true hunter-killer capabilities, enabling the Bulldog to engage multiple targets with speed and precision. Communication systems within the 2025 Bulldog are top of the line, offering encrypted multi-band radios, satellite uplinks, and integration with drone systems. This allows the tank not only to receive real-time intelligence from unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) but also to serve as a command and control node for coordinating fire support, artillery strikes, and infantry movements. In effect, the new M41 serves as more than just a combat vehicle, it is a battlefield information hub. Logistics and maintenance have also seen improvements. The 2025 M41 is designed with modular components, allowing for quick replacement and field repairs. The onboard diagnostics system monitors the health of all key systems and notifies the crew and command units of any anomalies. Predictive maintenance algorithms help extend the service life of the tank and minimize downtime. The vehicle can also be fitted with external mission-specific kits, such as mine plows, electronic warfare modules, or amphibious equipment, depending on operational needs. Despite its light weight, the 2025 M41 Walker Bulldog has been rigorously tested in various terrains and environments, from arid deserts and dense jungles to icy tundras and urban battlefields. Its performance in joint NATO exercises has been lauded, and several countries have already expressed interest in procuring or upgrading their legacy M41 fleets to the new standard. This international appeal is in part due to the Bulldog's relatively low cost compared to heavier main battle tanks, combined with its ease of operation and transportability. Another significant aspect of the 2025 version is its adaptability to future warfare. The tank's AI-assisted threat recognition system helps reduce crew workload and improves reaction time in combat. This AI can prioritize targets, suggest optimal firing solutions, and even take over control in emergencies. Integration with swarm drone systems and robotic reconnaissance vehicles provides the M41 with capabilities that extend beyond visual range, ensuring its relevance on tomorrow's digitally connected battlefield. From a historical perspective, the M41 Walker Bulldog's transformation is nothing short of extraordinary. Originally designed to replace the M24 Chaffee during the Korean War, the M41 was celebrated for its mobility and firepower, but it suffered from limited armor and relatively primitive systems by today's standards. Over the decades, it found favor in numerous countries including South Vietnam, Taiwan, Thailand, and Brazil, where various localized upgrades extended its service life well into the 21st century. However, none of those previous upgrades match the scale or sophistication of the 2025 version. This newest evolution of the M41 is also symbolic. It showcases how legacy platforms, when combined with visionary engineering and modern technology, can be repurposed to meet new operational challenges. In an age where defense budgets are stretched and asymmetric threats abound, having a cost-effective, highly mobile, and multi-role tank like the M41 Walker Bulldog offers strategic flexibility that few other platforms